Hi everyone, welcome to this short video on area of polygons. We're going to start by looking at the box in the center on things to remember. So with a polygon, you want to be able to cut that into shapes, known 2D shapes such as triangles, rectangles, and find the area of each of the piece. So you're going to cut them up into shapes that you know. And then you're going to find the area of each of the pieces and add together. That's if you have a polygon like in example 1. Now, if you have something like you have in example 2, which is the shaded area, you want to know part of it. I kind of think of these like donut problems. When you have a large circular donut and then we punch out that center circle, we take that out. That's like your munchkin. When you take that out, you're going to find the area of the whole thing first. And then you're going to take out the area of the unshaded part. You're going to subtract that out. So you're doing subtraction here to find the area of the shaded piece. And we'll look at an example like that in example 2 in just a minute. Okay, so let's start over in example 1 here on the left, finding the area of a polygon, a shape that isn't a known particular shape. It's made up of multiple 2D shapes. So when I look at this example, I see that I can cut it here into 2 different shapes. I can cut it up into maybe this one, this rectangle, and then I can cut it into this rectangle and find the area of each one of those. Okay, so let's look at the green one here, the smaller one. And the area of the first rectangle, sometimes, you know what I also do is I number these. I say area of shape 1 and put a little 1 there. And it just keeps my work clear. To find that, I know that it's 2 here by 3 here. So 2 times 3 is 6. And that'll be the area of shape 1. If I call this one shape 2, area of shape 2. Now, I know that this is 8. Now, a lot of kids will think that from here to here, along this top, is 9, because I see a 9 there. But 9 is from all the way above the green there, all the way to the end. So I know that the whole thing is not 9. I know that the whole thing is 9. This is 2. So if that's 2 and we need the whole thing to get to 9, this would have to be 7, because 7 plus 2 is 9. So the area of shape 2, my other rectangle, would be 8 times 7. This 8 and this 7, which is 56. So those are the 2 pieces. So to find the area of my polygon, I'm going to add these together. 6 plus 56 to find my total area. 6 and 6 is 12, carry a 1, 5, 6, 62 meters squared. And that's the area of my polygon. So the hardest part when you're finding polygons is making sure you have the correct dimensions for each of the shapes that you've cut it into. And you might have to do some calculations because it might not all be given to you, like I had to do with that 7. Now let's go over and take a look at example number 2 here on the right. And this one, we're finding the area of the shaded region. So I want to know the area of this gray, and I want to take out the area of this small little rectangle here. I want to take that out. So first, we're going to find the area of the entire shape, which is this entire thing. And I know that those dimensions are 10 by 7. I see a 10 and a 7. So area of the whole shape is 10 times 7, which is 70. Then I'm going to find the area of the piece, this little purple rectangle that we are taking out. Area is 3 by 2. I don't have to calculate any dimensions. They were given to me, is 6. And then what you're going to do is you're going to subtract these 2. It's 70, take away that purple piece, which would be 64 inches squared. So with the shaded region, shaded area, you're going to be finding the area of the whole minus the area of the piece that you don't want. I hope that this video has helped you to understand how to find the area of polygons, cutting it into various shapes, as well as finding the area of the shaded region. I hope it will help you to complete the rest of the worksheet, and I look forward to seeing you again in another video. Bye for now.